Kale sundi basically made with the raw banana. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Karnataka using coconut oil. Basically coconut oil and gingerly oil. That's the groundnut oil. 3 oil only. They are using in the home. Then it's always all good. You know the til oil and coconut oil always good for health. Coconut oil. Then we are starting at walai sundi. Raw bananas for almost 10 pieces of kacha kela and pressure cook or boil. Then you remove that skin and mash like potato, mashed potato like that, mashed and make a tadka. Chana dal roasted, ginger, 1 or 2 green chilies chopped, little curry leaf and chopped onions. Then roasted chana dal that you are using for coconut chutney, that one, very good. Finally you add little salt, little coriander, mash and put. Then mix more. Make a small bowl like this. This 2 version you can make it. This whole deep fried one also. Then otherwise you make like a tikki. Then like this also, as your wish. Once it's turned into golden brown, like this color, you want deep fried, can deep fry. Grill one, your wish.